finishing up reading a book. Hi, Riz. Hi, pup. Oh, look at that pup. She just wants attention. I'm just finishing up the book that I have been reading for my sociology class. I'm a little behind. I'm supposed to read about 5 chapters, and I've only read 4. I really like the sociology class. It's great. I took it when I had got back to town as a way to keep myself stimulated and moving forward and learning new things and all that jazz. And it's been every class has been so much fun. Like, I really like it, and it's offering me a lot of the same sort of conversation and stimulation I used to get in a bigger city, which is great, and in my previous line of work. But right now I'm just going to switch gears and do some work on my laptop before class, have a little bite, and then go from there. Look at how pretty these balloon farm eggs are. They're gorgeous. So I'm part of a sociology class in my hometown, and I am going to drop into that right now. It happens once a week, but it's been odd. It's like every other week the class is not happening for some circumstantial reason. But I really look forward to it. So I'm going to step in, have a good 3 hours, got my cup of coffee, and talk about social behavior and human behavior and community and a little mix of psychology into there. I'm excited. She wants a belly rub. Good pup. So, I gotta say, I'm just having a bit of a day where I don't know if it's the weather or if it's the end of the month, in me sort of just being pensive and reflecting on things, but I'm feeling like there's a lot of pressure, not only that I'm putting on myself to be creative, but also to sort of build a fulfilling life. To build a fulfilling life, to build one that has, that's dynamic and has variety and is fulfilling. I'm finding myself going into coping mechanisms of distraction, just distracting myself with stuff on my phone or Instagram or videos, and I just don't think it's what I can feel myself going back into coping strategies that I used to practice when I lived in a bigger city. Maybe it's the abundance of time, or maybe feeling like I don't have anything that's too pressing that I have to do, so I'm able to just freely do what feels right. Regardless, I'm trying to, move things around a little bit and trying to move myself around just to sort of kick up momentum to start producing, because I feel like in the absence of like a full-time job like I used to have, or the absence of something so concrete that kind of keeps you moving, it's up to you to build that momentum for yourself, and thus your own fulfillment will come from that. So I guess I'm just feeling that the pressure to be productive and the pressure and the fulfillment that comes from being productive. Maybe I'm feeling a bit of a lack of that. I think I'll go for a walk outside and then come back and see if I can be a bit more creative when I come back. One thing I often forget is just how good I feel being in nature. I think a big reason as to this sort of life pivot that I'm doing right now is about connecting to more nature. I mean, I think that kind of sounds whatever, but it feels so good. It's like almost automatically healing in a way. So whatever worries or concerns I had earlier, I already feel a certain sense of relief. You know, if my brain was sort of telling me that something's wrong or I'm anxious, I don't know, I feel really good. I feel good just going for this walk and seeing all these beautiful sights and already feel much better.